Hey, it's Gabe with API Nation. Today I'm going to show you how you can sync your Facebook lead ads to KW Command. So if you're running those ads on Facebook, those ads with a form, people are filling them out, they're just going to that CSV that sits on Facebook. That's not great. They just sit there, you don't follow up with them. Instead, what you want to do is set up this automation so that when you're running those ads, as soon as people fill out the form, they end up right in KW Command. You can put them on a smart plan, you can start marketing to them and start creating those deals. Let me show you how to set this up. First thing you're going to do is go to apination.com. You can click on the Get Started button here. Then it's going to have you sign into your API Nation account or sign up for an API Nation account. Go ahead and do that. Once you finish that process, it's very quick. You'll be back here and you can see all the apps you can automate using API Nation. Here's Facebook. Here's KW Command. Choose which one you want to start with. I'm going to go ahead and click on KW Command to start. And then you can see all the automations you can set up using KW Command. So I'm going to come down here to Facebook. That's the one we're creating today. And this is again for the Facebook lead ad. So if you're running an ad on Facebook and people are filling out a form, you want to make sure as soon as they fill out that form, their information goes right into KW Command. So I'm going to use this Facebook lead ads, KW Command contacts sync. I'm going to hit activate there. It's going to walk me through connecting both of these accounts first. So I'm going to connect my Facebook account. There we go. Now I'm going to connect my KW Command account. I hit connect. Go ahead and make sure I sign into the KW Command and be sure to choose the KW account you want these leads to end up in. So if you're a team leader and you're running ads for your team, go ahead and choose your team account. And that way you can use the lead routing available to you as a team leader. If you're a single agent, you're just running ads yourself, you want those to go into your single agent account, go ahead and select that. That's what I'm doing. Run that and hit agree. There's that connection now. Go ahead and hit the connect button using that connection. Now we're going to set up the sync. So first you're going to select the page that is running the ad. So I'm going to select the API Nation page. And then you're going to select the form that you want synced into your KW Command. So if you're running a lot of different forms, you're going to need a sync for each form. But if you're just running one or two forms, piece of cake, just choose the form. Let's see, I got this example lead ad form. I'll use that. And then I'll choose if I want to mark them as a lead as they come over. I'll do that. And then I can choose a source. So I'm going to say Facebook. Hit confirm. Here we go. So everything is again set up just how we had it. And then if there's anything else you want to set up, for example, if you want to choose a filter and only send over certain contacts from Facebook, people with a full name or an email, a phone number, any of that stuff, you can do that. And then in the mapping, we do most of the mapping for you. You can see the email from Facebook is going in the email here. The number is going in the phone number here. If there's anything else you want to set up, go ahead and do that. For example, maybe I want to tag it. Facebook lead ad. I could do that. Maybe I want to write a little note. I could do that. I can do a little ID here. Title, Facebook lead ad contact. And then details. Maybe I want to put in, some of the comments from their Facebook. Looks good. Go to the top and activate the sync. And that's it. That's how you set up the sync. Like I said, if you're running multiple forms, you're going to need to set up a sync for each form, which is super easy. From here, what you can do is you can just hit this clone button. So we're going to clone it. It's going to set it up the exact same way. And then you can just go through here, choose another form, maybe a seller interest form. Double check everything, double check the mapping. This looks good to me though. And then activate that. You might even want to rename it. So I'm going to say this is my seller interest Facebook lead ads and activate that sync. And you can continue to clone it for every form you're running. Once you're ready, then all those syncs will be up and running in the My Syncs area. And that way, anytime anybody fills out a form on any of your Facebook lead ads, they automatically get added into KW Command. So that's it. That's how you set up this sync from Facebook to KW Command. Super easy. It's going to get those contacts right into KW Command immediately. It's going to improve your speed to lead. It's going to allow you to add those smart plans to contacts as soon as they arrive in KW Command and help you create more deals. If you have any questions, need any help setting up this sync, give us a phone call, shoot us an email. We're API Nation. We are connecting the world's applications.